Hi, I'm Cami, your Lavouché hair technician. Today, I'm here to show you how to get the most out of your Ultra Color Fashionist color system treatment line.
We have 4 acid fantasy shades with which you can create unique color design thanks to our exclusive formula with vegan pigments that protect, moisturize and prolong the life of your color. Apply on your bleach head, clean and dry hair on a 9 or 10 days. Leave it for up to 30 minutes and rinse with plenty of water. Intensified shades will allow you to create, enhance and maintain those appealing highlights that always look dazzling and full of color. The quinoa protein present in Ultra Color restores lost vitality to hair damage by chemical agents. To prevent the appearance of oxidized orange and yellow tones in blonde males, it is not a problem for the correction and maintenance tones of Ultra Color Fashionist color system. Apply to your clean, wet hair, brushing to even out the pigments, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse abundantly with plenty of water.
That's how easy it is to use our entire line of treatments. Give joy to your life and let Ultra Color take care of your hair. And don't forget to follow us on all our social networks for more tips.